if we want to develop and deploy valuable solutions for patients and for all of us, we need to have a collective intelligence and partnership. And today was amazing to see different way companies can work together. And we saw also how different domain and different expertise are needed to bring innovation in the medtech system.
For me, it was a great day today, thanks to the organizer. My main takeaway is that such a day helps to bring together many people of different industries. I've learned a lot, meet a lot of interesting people and maybe some future partners.
We are headquartered in Basel Landschaft, and meeting more actors in nearby cantons is very useful for us as we're trying to enter more hospitals and work with more key opinion leaders.